TCL is back with one of the most unusual phones of 2025, the NxtPaper 60 Ultra. It's massive, it's durable, and it's rocking a screen that feels more like paper than glass. But is this €480 giant actually worth it? Let's find out. Now let's start with the design and build. This phone is big. At 7.2 inches, it's closer to a mini tablet than a typical smartphone. It weighs 227 grams, measures just 7.6 millimeters thin, and comes with IP68 water resistance. The front is glass, while the back and frame are plastic. TCL also claims Mohs Level 7 hardness for the screen, which means tougher scratch resistance than most mid-range phones. Oh, and yes, there's stylus support. Moving on, let's talk about the display, the real highlight. Here's the star of the show, TCL's NxtPaper display. It's an IPS LCD, runs at 120 Hz, peaks at 850 nits, and has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. But the real magic is in how it reduces glare and eye strain. If you read a lot or spend hours on screen, this feels softer and more natural compared to AMOLED or standard LCDs. Basically, it's made for comfort. Next up, performance. Can it actually keep up? Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 with 12 GB of RAM and either 256 or 512 GB of storage. Paired with Android 15, the performance is smooth, whether you're multitasking, gaming lightly, or running productivity apps with the stylus. It's not flagship-level speed, but it definitely holds its own. Now, let's take a look at the cameras. TCL surprised me here. You get a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. Video goes up to 4K at 30 FPS. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera capable of shooting 1440p video. For a brand not usually known for camera innovation, this is a really competitive setup. Speaking of power, let's talk battery life and charging. The 5200 mAh battery supports 33-watt fast charging, which gives you 50% in just 30 minutes. You also get 10W reverse wire charging. So yes, this huge phone can double as a power bank for your other devices. TCL claims it survives over 1,000 charging cycles and has a tested endurance of 50 hours plus. Before we wrap up, let's cover some extra features. You get stereo speakers, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, NFC in some regions, eSIM support, and even an infrared port. TCL also gave it Class B durability with up to 180 falls survived in testing, which is insane for such a large phone. Finally, let's talk price. At around €480, the TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra is not for everyone. If you want something compact and pocket-friendly, this isn't it. But if you're after a phone that doubles as a tablet, offers stylus support, an eye-friendly display, solid cameras, and crazy durability, this is one of the most unique devices of 2025. So, would you carry a 7.2-inch smartphone in your pocket, or is it just too big to handle? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.